tracking didn't work, so I'm going to just kind of go to a normal track. So I'll click on here, and there's my daughter, and I'm just going to click on her shoulder, and then I'm going to fast forward a couple frames, maybe more frames because she didn't really move anywhere. So then I'll click here, go forward 3 or 4, click here, go forward 3 or 4, click here, go forward 3, click here, go forward 3, click here, forward 3, click on her shoulder again, 3. Okay, get the point. You can go through it a little bit faster that way. Go forward 3 again, click there. Okay, so we get a video where we're moving along, and if we've set our scale bar, okay, so say I go here to here, and I measure this to be 1 meter, okay, that's going to allow me to see, okay, I have times, but now I have distances on the y-axis for my position. So for this graph, you're going to want an x position and you're going to want an x velocity. So we're going to get rid of y, and then we'll go with x there. So we can see here, we now have velocity being graphed in yellow, and we have the position being graphed in red. They're on the same graph, so the scale bar is going to be a little strange, but that's okay. We can deal with that. So what I'm going to do now is find my slope of my position graph and also find my average velocity for a given time. So I'm going to go from about 1 to 1.5 seconds. And I can do that by kind of scrolling over it. And then if I want to find my average velocity during that time, I'm going to find the slope of the position graph first. We go to Graph Tools, button down here in the lower left. We do Apply Curve Fit, and we're going to apply a linear fit to it. And we see that we get a slope of our red graph, which is our position graph. We have y equals mx plus b. M is 0.8597. So the slope of the position graph is about 0.8597. So that's the number you're going to take over into your answer sheet. The other thing we want to do, we're going to go with that same window again, about 1 to 1.5 seconds for this one. And we're going to go we want to find the average velocity in that case. So now we're going to go to the same graph tools, and we're going to press View Statistics. Okay. And what we're looking for here is the mean. Now, she didn't walk very consistently the whole time, which is fine. Not expect to be perfect. But here, the mean average velocity is 0.618. So we're going to copy that over into our answer sheet as well. The point there is to look and try and see, are those two numbers the same? If we walked consistently, the slope of the position graph and the average of the velocity should basically be the same value. Okay. In this case, the speed was a little bit off, which is fine, but they're reasonably close to one another.